Hello and welcome to another fun-filled installment of Real World Motorized Mountain Bicycling. Today's adventure will be on maintenance, specifically shift kit chainring replacement. I determined that I probably need, after 3,000 miles, a new chainring. So today's installment is to go and try to fix that. Here is what I'm gonna need. A big old wrench to try to get my, my crank off. I need a crank puller tool, a wrench to operate the puller tool, another wrench to try to get the screws off the cranks, a replacement front chainring, and another small Allen wrench. What do you say we get underway? There we go. Look at that, how they're angled. They're all worn down. That's why it's slipping. You know what I could do probably is just turn that over so it's facing the other way. And you know what? That's gonna have to be what I do because this thing doesn't fit. So I'm gonna need to just flip it over. So it was going that way. Now I'm going to do it this way. Backwards, so that the chain will catch. Okay. Now, I believe that's done. Now that that's all done, I gotta put this puppy back on. Now what I need to do is do some very careful alignment. I think we might be done. So now that everything's fixed up, we're going to try it a little bit. See if my switching of the sprockets did the trick. So first I'm going to start off easy, just pedaling around a bit. Yeah, that's good. Yep, it's not giving me a problem at all. Let me say we start her up. What do you say we go for a little joyride? Another successful test ride. Always it is a bit of a project to figure out what the heck is going on with your custom stuff. When something breaks, you think it's one thing, but it could be another. But that's one of the things that's really great about motorized mountain bicycling, because it's not only that you get to go out on really fun rides, but you also get a little bit of a puzzle, a project, something you take care of. But anyway, I'm glad I'm right today in that all I needed to do was just switch that little 24 tooth sprocket over, because amazingly after 3,000 miles you saw how those things were all cocked over. And anyway, I guess today's was pretty easy. Dirty, but easy. Anyway, thanks a lot for joining me on this adventure with real world motorized mountain bicycling, and thanks a lot.